Welcome back to Fusion Auto Review. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most legendary muscle cars of all time, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. With a rich history and a reputation for pure power, this new iteration has been redesigned to offer more performance, more technology, and more refinement. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the Shelby name, this car promises to deliver an exhilarating experience. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 GT500 so special. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is a striking embodiment of power and performance, with its bold design immediately catching the eye. The front of the car is dominated by a larger, more aggressive grille, flanked by functional air intakes that help channel air to the engine and improve cooling. The iconic Shelby Cobra badge sits proudly in the center, signaling its performance pedigree. The wider stance of the GT500 is one of the most noticeable updates. The rear fenders have been flared to accommodate massive 20-inch wheels, giving the car a more muscular planted look. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also improves stability at high speeds. The sculpted body lines, sharp LED headlights, and large hood vents emphasize its athleticism, while the rear features a prominent spoiler for added downforce and a menacing road presence. Every curve and line on the GT500's exterior serves a purpose, blending function and style in a way that makes it unmistakably a Shelby and undeniably a car built for speed. The taillights of the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 are a standout feature, adding a modern yet aggressive flair to the car's rear end. They showcase a distinctive design with sharp, angular LED elements that create a bold visual signature, ensuring the GT500 stands out even when viewed from behind. The design not only enhances the car's athletic look, but also contributes to its high-tech aesthetic, complementing the vehicle's aggressive lines. And arriving at the front desk, API scan the product for local car behaviors while interacting with powerful 3D screens that guide the car to the offset taillights, providing a sleek, cohesive look that reinforces the GT500's powerful and dynamic presence on the road. Interior design. Step inside the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and you're immediately greeted by a cockpit designed for performance enthusiasts. The interior combines sport-inspired elements with premium materials, creating a perfect balance of comfort and controls both of them. The leather-trimmed race-stable bucket seats provide excellent support during aggressive driving, featuring Shelby's specific stitching that adds a touch of exclusivity. The dashboard is dominated by a 12-inch digital display, offering clear and customizable information on everything from performance metrics to navigation. The center console features the advanced Sync 4 Android Auto and a responsive touch-screen interface. The driving experience is further enhanced by a leather-wrapped steering wheel, with mounted paddle shifters for seamless gear changes, allowing drivers to stay connected to the road. Every detail inside the GT500 is meticulously crafted, offering not just a high-performance environment, but a place where technology, luxury, and driving excitement come together seamlessly. Performance under the hood of the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 lies a beastly 5.2-liter supercharged Fate engine that produces a staggering 760 horsepower and 625 lp-ft of torque. This powerhouse engine provides the kind of acceleration that thrills, allowing the GT500 to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are quick and precise, delivering seamless power to the wheels. The GT500's performance is further enhanced by a sophisticated suspension system, including magnetic ride control and a torsion-limited slip rear differential, ensuring exceptional handling and stability even at high speeds. Whether you're pushing it on the track or cruising on the highway, the GT500 offers a driving experience that combines raw power with impressive precision. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is positioned as a high-performance vehicle with a starting price around $80,000 depending on the trim and optional features. This price point places it in direct competition with other muscle cars and performance sedans, offering an incredible balance of power, technology, and iconic design for the money. While it is a premium offering within the Mustang lineup, the GT500's 760 horsepower engine, advanced handling features, and high-end interior materials make it a compelling option for those seeking a thrilling driving experience without stepping into the realm of more expensive exotic cars. With a range of customization options available, buyers can further tailor the vehicle to their preferences, though the base price still offers significant value for what's included. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 doesn't just prioritize raw power and performance. It also comes equipped with an extensive array of safety features designed to enhance driver confidence and protect occupants. Standard on the GT500 are advanced driver assist technologies like lane keeping assist, which gently steers the car back into its lane if it detects unintentional drifting, adaptive cruise control, which automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. The pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking is another key feature, detecting potential frontal collisions and applying the brakes if the driver doesn't react in time, significantly reducing the risk of an accident. The GT500 also offers blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, two technologies that help drivers safely navigate crowded roads and parking lots by alerting them to unseen vehicles in adjacent lanes or approaching from behind. In addition, the Mustang's rigid body structure, reinforced with high-strength steel, provides enhanced protection in the event of a collision, while advanced airbags are strategically placed throughout the cabin for added safety. These features work in harmony to create a comprehensive safety suite that ensures the 2025 GT500 is not only an exhilarating performance car, but also a secure and reliable one, making it a well-rounded choice for those who want both excitement and peace of mind on the road. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 truly embodies the pinnacle of modern muscle car engineering, blending raw power with cutting-edge technology to deliver a driving experience like no other. With its heart-pounding 760 horsepower supercharged V8 engine, the GT500 rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, providing an adrenaline rush that few cars can match. Yet, it's not just about straight-line speed. Ford has fine-tuned the GT500's handling with advanced suspension systems, including magnetic ride control and performance-enhancing features like a torsion limited slip rear differential, ensuring the car remains agile and stable during tight corners and high-speed maneuvers. The exterior design is an aggressive and aerodynamic work of art with sharp lines, a bold front grille, and a wide stance that announce its performance pedigree from every angle. Inside the cabin balances performance with luxury, offering sport-inspired leather-trimmed seats, a fully digital dashboard, and the use of Initial ID and console to secure market share. It is emotionally potent, creatively balanced, and ready to make a start. The latest infotainment technologies making every drive as comfortable as it is thrilling. Safety is also a priority, with a suite of advanced driver assist features that add an extra layer of security without compromising on the excitement. The 2025 Shelby GT500 is more than just a powerful car. It's a well-rounded, sophisticated machine that offers the perfect combination of thrilling performance design and technology, making it one of the most exciting and capable muscle cars on the road today. Whether you're looking to dominate the track, enjoy a weekend cruise, or simply make a bold statement on the road, the GT500 is ready to deliver on all fronts. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. From its heart-pounding performance to its sleek design and advanced technology, this car truly offers an incredible driving experience. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting automotive content. Until next time, keep driving and stay safe.